Hello everyone, welcome to Code Crafters Lab. So now we will try to see the better approach to reverse an array here. Okay, so till now we have seen the brute force approach where we have taken a temp array and we were trying to like have all the values in a reverse order in the temp and then replacing our original array at the end with the temp values, right? So why we were doing that? So let's take one example, maybe n equal to 5, right? And array is 1 2 3 4 and 5. So why we took temporary array? If we replace 1 to 5, right, in a reverse order, then 5 is gone, right? We have to keep this variable, right? So that is why we were using temporary array and we were reversing all the elements and adding it to the temp, and then at the end we were replacing our original array with the temporary array values, right? So is there any better approach to this particular problem? Yes, there is. What we can do, let's say we have a array of these values 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, what we can do is replace 1 to 5 to 1, right? And at the same time we can replace 1 to 5, right? Same way 2 to 4 and 4 to 2, 4 and 2 here, and for this value we don't have to replace, right? So we have to replace till this point and it is nothing but a 5 4 3 2 1, which is the reverse of this particular array, right? So we can achieve this here, right? We can achieve this definitely with this particular approach. And in this particular approach we are replacing the values in the original array itself, so we don't have to use the temporary array, right? So we may use one concept here, right? So basically it is nothing but 1 2 3 4 5. It is nothing but a two pointer concept. So it is left pointer and right pointer, right? And what we'll do, we will increase left and decrease right till how much? Till how much we have to decrease? So first left will be 1 and 5, so we will replace these two values. We'll replace 1 with 5 and 5 with 1, right? Then left plus plus, left come here and right come here, right? We will take red as right and green as left. Okay, so now what we'll do, we will replace 4 with 2 and 2 with 4, right? Then my left come here and right also come at the same time. So when these two are overlapping we have to stop. This is the condition, right? And now comes the question is how we can swap this number. So swapping is nothing but using the three variables concept. So what we can do, we can take one temp, and in temp what we'll do left of I, or maybe array of left, we will store. Okay, then what we'll do, array of left equal to array of right. So this is how what we'll do, we'll take the right variable into left side, right? And array of right, at the array of right what we have to replace, we have to replace left also, which we kept in a temp variable. So this is how we can do the swapping here, right? So let's try to write the pseudocode for this. So what we'll take two pointers, int left which will be 0 and int right is at the end, so it is nothing but n minus 1, right? So right, and what we'll do, we'll run one while loop while left is less than right, till the point what we have to do, we have to swap what, array of left to array of right, correct? Till how we have to swap. That's what we are doing here. We have to just swap and we don't have to return anything in this particular example, right? So let's try to write the code for this. What we'll do, we will just remove this and we'll take int left equal to 0, int right equal to n minus 1, and while left is less than right, till that time we have to execute this loop. What we'll do, int temp equal to array of left, we have stored left, then array of left, we will add array of right, then array of right, we have to add old array of left which is in temp right, and let's try to run this. Time limit exceeded 1 2 3 4 5 n equal to 5, n minus 1 we are doing, right is the our right side pointer and left is array of right, until left is less than right we are replacing, and at the end we have to do one more thing, we have missed something here, so we have to increment and decrement also, right? We will increment the left plus plus and right minus minus, correct? We'll do left plus plus and right minus minus, right? And we don't have to return anything because it is a void function. And let's try to submit this. So it's submitted, and let's see the time complexity. It is O of n due to single while loop that iterates n by 2 times to reverse the array, right? And space is O of 1 only. Earlier it was O of n, so we have improved our space complexity in this particular example, right? Thank you for watching.